Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorials of HD Saloon. In this tutorial you will learn how to create customer in HD Saloon. To create new customer, you have to click on the setup button. From the first page of setup, click on the customers module and then click on add customer. This will open add new customer window where you will see the customer code. This is the auto generated customer code. If you want to define your own code, click on define my own code and you can enter your own code. Otherwise, click on auto generate code. In customer details section, you can enter the customer name here. And here you can select the birth date by clicking on the calendar drop down and you can select the date here. Under customer loyalty section, if you have defined the loyalty program and you want to enroll this customer for the loyalty program, you need to select this checkbox. On the right side, you will see the address section where you can enter the shipping address and billing address of this customer. So after entering the shipping address, here you have the credit limit section. If you want to give any credit to this customer, then you can set the credit limit here. To set the credit limit, you need to uncheck this checkbox, use system default credit limit. The system default credit limit will be 0. You can uncheck this and click on change button and then you can enter the credit limit here. Say the credit limit is 10,000 for this customer. And we have a section here, customer group. You can create a customer group so that you can set different prices and offers that will be specific for this group. Under financial account section, you can add any opening balance for this customer account. To add opening balance, you can click on change button and you can enter the opening balance over here. You can also attach a photo to this customer by clicking on add photo, select an image and click on open. If you want to add any additional fields which is not available here, you can do that by clicking on customer fields and you can create custom fields here. To save the customer details, click on save button. Thank you for watching this video.